All right, folks, today we're doing a building inspection, and I'm actually looking at the brickwork here. And I don't know if you could really get a good vision of this brickwork, but this brick is literally coming out of here. I mean, it is bulging from here. Look at this. If I can zoom it in a little bit more, it's bulging. Look at that. And it's going to be total rebuild. That whole parapet wall is coming out. Beautiful parapet wall. But parapet wall, sorry, parapet wall, before I get all you folks jumping onto me. And it actually is all the way down through here. You can see it. This whole parapet wall is literally just coming apart. Anyway, folks, this is what you're looking for when you're getting a building inspection. Make sure that it's structurally sound. Now, this wall is not going to hurt anything up there. It's not part of necessarily the support structure, but it definitely is a problem. Well, thanks for watching our videos, folks. This is just like crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. You can't even make it up. It's so awesome. So awesomely insane. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Call us Galloway Building Services.